Hello everyone. Jeera or cumin seeds have several health benefits which contains the abundant properties about the health, right? So today we will see what all health benefits we will get by having regular. Come back to Dr. Meenakshi's Medica. This is Dr. Meenakshi, BMS CMD IU Ayurvedic pediatrician. So what all benefits we will get by regular having is it promotes or it helps in digestion process. Jeera water contains the properties which can break down the complex contents like proteins, fats and sugar like complex nutrients can break down easily by jeera water, regular having jeera water. So it will improve the digestion problem and we will not be having any complications or any complaints of digestive system by having regular jeera water. Next benefit is it aids or it helps in weight loss. As we know, jeera water is low in calorie. This low calorie jeera water will break down the stubborn fat and it will improve our metabolism. So by breakdowning the stubborn fat, it will help in weight loss. So who all want to get relief from their stubborn belly fat, especially they can have regular jeera water. And it also helps in reducing inflammation. The cumin seeds have the property of anti-inflammatory properties, so it will give aids or it will help in reducing inflammations in a body. Next benefit is it relieves acidity. The people especially who are having acidity symptoms like nausea, headache or the heartburn and bloating, these all complaints will be reduced by having a regular jeera water on daily basis. Benefit is it prevents anemia. These cumin seeds or jeera seeds are rich in nutrients and rich in iron. So it will help in improving the hemoglobin and also it improves the oxygen supply to the body. By doing both of these works, it can prevent the anemia. And next benefit is it is very helpful in heart health, because what all the contents or the properties present in jeera or cumin seeds reduces the triglyceride, reduces the cholesterol and reduces the blood pressure. So by reducing all these 3 points, it maintains the heart health in good condition. Benefit is it's good in skin care. Has jeera have the properties of antimicrobial and antioxidants, especially in acne conditions. It will reduce the inflammation and it acts as an antioxidant. So by preventing the acne, jeera water will give you a glowing. And last point is it is good in immunity, boosting immunity, because as we came to know, it is filled with nutrients, it is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial. So by helping all these conditions, it will boost our immunity and can be healthy by preventing infection. These are the benefits of having regularly jeera water. If you want to know how we should have jeera water, on which time, at what time we should have jeera water, in which form we should have jeera water, if you want to know details about jeera water, comment in a comment section box. I'll go through and give a response. Thank you.